Are you amazed to see planes taking off and landing in perfect harmony? Meet the unsung heroes behind it all, air traffic control. Alright, aviation enthusiasts, buckle up. ATC, or air traffic control, is the mastermind operation behind every safe flight. Think of them as the ultimate traffic police, but for planes. So what exactly do they do? First, they prevent collisions. Yep, they make sure aircraft maintain safe distances from each other, both in the air and on the ground. Next, managing takeoffs and landings. Pilots need clearance from ATC for every step, taking off, landing, and even taxiing to and from the gates. But that's not all. These wizards route aircraft efficiently, guiding them along their flight paths, especially during those critical departures and arrivals. They also coordinate airspace use, managing different altitudes and sectors to keep the skies from getting too crowded. Now, let's break down the ATC units you might hear about. Ground control handles movements on taxiways and ramps. Tower control takes care of aircraft on the runway and nearby. Approach departure control guides planes arriving or leaving an airport. And then there's en route or center control, overseeing planes cruising at higher altitudes between cities. So there you have it. Next time you see a smooth flight, give a nod to the incredible folks at air traffic control, the keepers of our skies.